Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, I'm going to review a special product and I'm going to reveal the best chili recipe, bar none, in the world I have ever had. I got this recipe off of YouTube and I'm going to share that with you in a minute. But first of all, I'd like to show you a product that I've used for over 50 years. This is it right here. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that in the world. It's a dry mustard. It's a mustard that I like because in my mind the flavor it has is quite unique. To me, it's a cross between a mustard and, like, if you like your horseradish, you'd love this. And you can mix it how you like depending on your taste, but you know what? I put that on my corned beef and rye. I put it on hot dogs, burgers, soups, and chili. Yes, chili. I actually put it in this famous award-winning chili recipe that I'm going to fill you in on a second here. But it is just terrific. If you have a northern remote place like I have up in northern Ontario, during the summertime and the fall, I go to my my camp. And you know what? If you go take a look on a regular mustard or ketchup or most of the condiments today, they all say on the back now, you must refrigerate. This product here, you don't have to refrigerate at all. You mix it as you like. And it's great for me up in my cabin because I always have mustard on hand, and actually I like mustard. So, you know, it's a terrific thing to have around the camp, whether you're out in the bush. It's so easy. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give a little demonstration of how easy it is to mix this up, and I'll show you that first before we get to the chili. Well, here we are right here. I'll just open it up for you here. Guys, this is what it looks like right here. I'll give you a good look there. And you know how simple this really is? So, yeah, I'm making a mess here. So you just take roughly whatever mustard you put in here. All you do is take about the same of water. And I like mine a little more on the runny side, not so pasty. And as you can see, it only takes a couple of seconds. And you take a look at that, guys. Tell me, how easy was that? There you go right there. And you could be in a bush camp, you could be out in the woods, you could be anywhere. And this is fairly inexpensive. And it is just terrific. I have no affiliation with this company at all. It's just a product that I use, like all the other products on my channel. There's something that I buy and something that I use. Well, what'd you think of that? Now, is that easy enough for all you guys that are heading out in the woods, and or all you gals that are, you know, camping and that kind of stuff? This is so easy to bring along, and like you say, you can mix it differently the way you like it. You can put more, and it will be hotter, and less, and it'll be not as hot. But I really don't find it that hot. I just love the flavor, and same as this chili recipe. I can just show you a little bit of a clip right here.
Alright, now it has been about 2.5 hours. Let's test.
Okay, so that's my buddy Mike. He's down in Arkansas, and he has the best chili recipe in the world. I made it with my wife. My wife did most of the making, and you know what? By far, that is the best chili, bar none, I've ever had in my life. The only thing my wife did is we put a little bit of the Keen's mustard in there. I'm not saying you should put it in at all. I like his recipe without it, but we just like the little bit of a flavor that this gives. And you know what? It is so hard to get a really good award-winning recipe. And I encourage all of you, take a look at the link below. I'll have Mike's video there, and you can make this yourself. It is a terrific recipe. There's not too many recipes that I would say come close to this one. My wife loves to cook. She's made lots of different chilies, you know, from recipes that she's read in magazines and books and that kind of stuff. And this one by far, you know, in my opinion, is the best chili I've ever had in my life. So thanks for joining me here today. Check out the link below and check out Mike's video on his award-winning chili. You guys come back again if you've never seen this channel before. Well, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers.